guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing my secret of body scrub. And today I have this caffeine body scrub with me. I got this for free with some of caffeine products. I have done a video of the best and the worst of the caffeine product, so make sure that you watch it. Talking about this product particularly, I have used it only twice and the ingredients are quite good. If I talk about its ingredients, so it has coffee as the first ingredient, and then glucose, sorbitol, cocos lucifera oil, that is a coconut oil, then some cleansing agents, and potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate as preservatives. So if you are wondering that why there is need of using body scrubs, body scrub is a very essential part of skincare. It helps to reduce tan, pigmentation. It works wonder with the chicken skin as well. It also helps to prevent ingrown hair. It works wonder from exfoliating the skin to regenerating the skin. Overall, I really love the ingredients of this product. The formulation is really good. Of course, it has some preservatives that is a need to maintain its shelf life, and I would say that when I have used it, I didn't feel that it strips out all the oil from my body. Instead, it has moisturized my body in a very beautiful manner. My skin felt like very smooth and soft. Moving on to our homemade body scrub. So it's a orange body scrub. I really love using this on weekends. It is very refreshing, and also it is homemade, so it doesn't contain any preservative. And the texture of my scrub, my homemade scrub, and this caffeine body scrub is similar, guys, no difference. As I told you, I got this for free, and the texture of this body scrub is just similar to the homemade one, and I would rather prefer using the homemade one scrub because it doesn't contain any preservatives and anything else, and I really know what the mixture actually has. And I also love the ingredients of this particular product, but I will not purchase it again because I would not waste my money on those things that I actually can prepare at home. Without further ado, let's dive into the recipe.
Guys, I have taken 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Make sure that it doesn't contain any granules, otherwise it can be abrasive on your body. And then I have mixed it with 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder. It's totally homemade. You can easily make it at home. And then I have used this argan oil from Good Vibes. It's a facial oil, but it didn't suit my oily skin. That's why I decided to use it on body. So I'm mixing 4 to 6 drops of this oil in the body scrub. You can also mix virgin coconut oil if you want to, but I have this argan oil, that's why I thought of using it in a different way. And just you have to mix it and see the texture. The texture should not be watery, and it's just similar to that of caffeine body scrub, but ingredients are different.
So thank you guys for watching, and I really need your support this time, so please like the video, to subscribe to my channel and share it if you can. And thank you so much again. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.